At the end of the 20th century, I ceased to be a human being.
Do you ever have that sense of being an outsider?
Do you love performing still?
I live for it. There's something that happens on stage where you are transported.
I wake, I write, I eat,
I probably had more meals with you than my wife.
I watch TV.
Awesome.
This is my 20,000th day on Earth.
Darian's ready to see you now.
What's your earliest memory of a female body? Huh? What do you fear the most? It does worry me that I'm not going to be able to continue to do what I do and reach a place that I'm satisfied with, in a sense. Because memory is what we are. Your very soul and your very reason to be alive is tied up in memory. Those moments when the gears of the heart really change. Should we stop there?
I'm transforming, I'm vibrating, I'm glowing, I'm flying. Look at me now, I'm flying. Look at me now.
This shimmering space where imagination and reality intersect, where all love and tears and joy exist. This is the place. This is where we live.
I had to speed read your biography.
Oh, you read that thing?
Yeah.
That wasn't the truth, though.